Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. I just wanted to do a little haul video from one of our local yarn shops here in Cleethorpes where I live. It's called A Good Yarn. They're on All Road. This is their phone number and this is their website, agoodyarn.co.uk. I just want to give them a shout out really because I popped in there, even the bags are cute, popped in there and it's such a cute little shop. It's on the corner, in a really quiet corner, and it's just beautifully set out, and they have a little room in the back where they do lessons and groups and things. It's just so lovely, and they have a great selection of yarns. One of the things I picked up while I was there was this Keep Yarns on Our Streets badge. Now, I've not seen anybody talking about this, which is surprising really, because some of the big crocheters on YouTube, you'd think that they'd be behind this. Excuse my horrible nails. And this is a campaign to support keeping yarn shops open on our high streets and not losing them all to the big dealers. So this says, a yarn shop is more than just a shop, it's a community, a crafty hub, a knowledge bank. Let us show you what we are made of. Keep yarn on our streets. And there's A Good Yarn, that's their own badge. And you can go to a website and also Instagram, keepyarnonourstreets.co.uk. So I'm going to be doing that very soon, and I'm going to be wearing my badge with pride and hoping to keep yarn on our streets. There you go, look at that. Right, so I bought some gorgeous, I've got a little project I'm doing for somebody, and I bought some gorgeous Bo Peeps. This is from the West Yorkshire Spinners, and it's Bo Peep Luxury Baby. It's 52% Falkland wool and 48% nylon. It is just so scrummily soft, and each ball is 50 grams, it's 112 metres or 122 yards, and it's a DK 4mm needles or hooks, and yeah, it's lovely. This is in the 08 shade. I don't think it has any other, I don't think it has a name. And this one is the same, but it's in the, no, the shade obviously is not that. The shade is either 144 or 0579, and the shade for this one is 305 or 0730. Yeah, but it's beautiful. It's so soft. Oh, and it just smells gorgeous. So this is for a little blanket that I'm going to be making soon. I'll try to film the tutorial. But also, while we were there, the shop owner also knew about Ben's Beanies. Now, Ben's Beanies is having a live event in Cleethorpes next week on the 17th. In a little cafe called The Globe, which again, if you're in Cleethorpes or you're close by, go visit The Globe. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's an experience, not just a cafe. It's a little tiny place, and it has all sorts going on. It's got a cookie decorating class session next week, I think, or the week after. It has a book club, a board game club. It's got the most divine reading room at the back. It sells the most delicious coffee, great service, run by a father and son. It's absolutely beautiful, and you'll probably get to see it soon. But they knew about this event and they donated us some yarn. Now I'm just gonna pile the yarn up here, and then I'm going to talk about it. It's all West Yorkshire Spinners, Air Valley Essential DK, 75% wool, 25% nylon. It smells gorgeous. It's as you expect with wool. It's quite rough, but it'll sew up really nice. There's 100 gram balls, and we're going to be giving some of this away at. We're going to have some of this on hand for people to use at our live event if anybody comes. We're going to give some of this away to Ben's Beanies people as well. So far we've been giving away stuff from my personal stash, so we're going to be giving away from another source, which would be nice. I'm going to pop the first of these that's going to be given away. There's a nice sort of dark browny colour, so I thought that's quite sort of Halloweeny. There's another one here that's a nice dark colour. I think I might use this one. It's a little shade darker, I think. Or it might just be the light. Probably tell from the batch. No, they are the same batch. So I'm going to use one of those, and then there's quite a lot of this orangey colour. So I'm going to pop one of those in, and then I'm going to pop in a nice little witchy purple as well. So they'll be going into the hamper for the winner of the Halloween quiz that we're running on Ben's Beanies. But there's so much more. There's another brown there. There's a nice light grey, which is great for men's hats. There's a couple of these lovely reds. Tons of this lovely green, the yellow. There's a really nice soft pink there. There's this lovely peachy colour. There's so much of it. And like I said, loads of that orange again. I think I've got all of these colours. So there's loads of it. There's about 33, I think, unless there's any behind there, which is absolute. I mean, that's well over £50 worth of yarn. So thank you so much. Okay, so thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.